Welcome to my video on business ethics. Today we're going to discuss the corporate social responsibility of companies. To begin, we will start with the definition. What is business ethics? It is the moral principles and standards that guide the behavior in the world of business today. These may include trust in business transactions or the effects of ethical behavior. So, for example, the trust between a company-to-company transaction and employee-to-employee transaction. We move on to the background of business ethics. In the past, companies paid no particular attention to ethical behavior. Their sole purpose was to make profits. There was no concern to the environmental impact of the company. And the unethical behavior within the company involved bribing of company officials in order to get access to public space or insider trading. Which brings us to the current issues behind business ethics or the corporate social responsibility of companies. So, for example, how much pollution is contributed by my company? These are particular questions that companies are asking themselves today. Is going green affecting my profits? Are companies really sustainable? For example, if I become sustainable, are my competitors becoming sustainable? Should the company officials get paid more whilst the company profits are dwindling? This brings us to an issue of moral sustainability or corporate sustainability. So this is a moral issue that covers the practical, the environmental, social, economic, and political aspects. So for example, how my company can become practical whilst taking care of the environmental impact and the social welfare of my employees and the economic development of my company, whilst being within the political realm or whilst following the rules that are provided for me. This takes us to corporate social responsibility itself. In the Sustainable Business textbook, written by Kopnina and Blewett, they define it as the commitment of a business to ethically contribute to economic development whilst improving society's welfare. So how John here, the CEO, ensures that his miners have adequate safety clothing before they do their job, that they have a good retirement plan or healthcare plan whilst being green. So these are the two steps that are part of corporate social responsibility. It's how the business is ethically committed to contribute to not only the development of the company itself, but for the welfare of the society, which in this case can be his employees and of the environment itself. Examples of companies that are successfully practicing CSR are Starbucks, Disney, Nu Skin, Microsoft, and Tom Shoes. Starbucks, for example, was ranked 5th most socially sustainable company in 2012. They achieved this goal by being more sustainable by looking at their production of coffee. They chose to be sustainable producers of coffee. And this, as a result, attracted not only more customers, but helped them be more socially responsible. A second example can be Disney. Disney has made it its main goal to be the provider of aid after natural disasters. So we see one of their initiatives or one of their efforts was done in 2010 towards the Haiti earthquake. This brings me to the benefits. So my opinion of the benefits of companies that practice CSR. It reduces the carbon footprint on the environment. It improves the brand image of the company. In this case, looking at Starbucks, which is not only a brand, but an experience, and it improves the competitive advantage of the company. I know of many people who choose to go to Starbucks for coffee than have a regular coffee in the cafeteria or regular coffee in any place. So it improves the brand image, in my opinion. It improves or increases productivity. So how much are the sales for Starbucks? How much money are they making? Even, for example, Nu Skin. Nu Skin is a personal skin company, and they are making profits from just being socially responsible. So I say to you, join in and make your business more sustainable. Let us make a change today.